Good morning. My name is Robin Eckhart. I'm the instructor down here at the Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems program, and I'm excited about this program. I think that it shows great potential for occupations in the near future. If you go online and you search drone pilots and drone technology, it's an exploding industry. The cost of purchasing a drone, the investment in purchasing a drone has gone way down, so medium to large companies will be investing in these in the future, and they need people to fly them. It's an amazing opportunity, so I'm pretty excited about the program here. The program here goes beyond just passing the FAA test, which you will pass the FAA test, but it goes beyond that. It's equipping you so that you will be able to go to a company and say, here, I have the credentials to legally fly for hire, but I also have a tool bag full of things and skills and knowledge that will make me a valued employee, an informed employee, a safe employee, and an employee with enough finesse to actually fly these drones accurately and safely. The college has invested a lot of money into these drones, so we have plenty of drones in which each student will be able to get a good bit of experience flying the drone. And of course, there's the academics involved as well. You'll be learning about the weather. You'll be learning about the unseen world around us, which consists of all kinds of lines and boundaries that consist of the national airspace system. So we have to be able to fly along with, in partnership with, manned aircraft and the air traffic control system, many different things. So it's certainly not overwhelming. I guess probably the biggest thing that makes me excited is this is we talk about non-traditional careers. This is a career that is totally non-traditional. In other words, it doesn't matter whether you're a man or a woman, older like I am, or very young, 16 years old. If you can meet the criteria for entry into the college, you can take this course. It's not specific as far as ethnicity as well. There's no boundaries, is what I'm saying, and that's pretty exciting, I think. So, wow, I'm just excited about the whole program. The variety of drones we have some large ones, we have some smaller ones. We are investing in thermal imaging. We have a good amount of software that we'll learn about for mapping, for example, or for search and rescue. There's just so many applications that I don't even know where to go as far as trying to explain that to you. But if you do a quick little search on the internet, you'll find a lot of applications. So, hey, I'm excited about the program. Come on down and check the drone facility out here. Like I said, I've got a great fleet of drones. And we have a good indoor facility, of course, part of the training. We will be going on field trips and going into the community and doing some mapping and doing some inspections and whatever practice kind of things. So I'm excited. Come on out. Thank you.